Good morning, good evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, YouTube. So, with the FZR project completed, the ZZR is now out and being raced, there was need for a further project. Always got to have something to occupy our time, after all, the bloke. So, a friend of mine had decided, having seen what we were up to, that he fancied a slice of the pie as well. And on the quiet, a little road trip was arranged, and we went up to just outside Chester to go and pick up something odd. So this isn't so much Philo's garage, more Will's garage, but what we actually ended up with was a 1960s Benelli, we thought originally Hurricane, but actually turns out it's a Dynamo 65. It's kind of like a little Italian version of a Honda monkey bike, so it's a bit different. Make a great pit bike, but also just an interesting little piece of kit, and it's a good learning experience and just something to keep us occupied as winter draws near. So this is basically the acquisition and the strip down, and this is what we ended up with.
Good morning, good evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, YouTube. You join us on this lovely frosty morning. We're heading up to North Wales. Now, everyone knows about the Honda monkey bike, but what a lot of people don't realise is there was also a Benelli version of it. It's called the Hurricane 65. Rather interesting little bike and incredibly rare. Now, a chance came up to purchase one at a ridiculously low price. It is a barn find, it's missing a few parts, so it's a pretty esoteric restoration job, but why have one project when you can have two? So we're on our way up to North Wales, and we'll go and grab this little monkey bike and see what the deal is.
So here we go, it's a Benelli Hurricane 65, rare little beast. There is only around 300 of these left worldwide, so just a nice little pit bike project, something a bit different. This is going to be quite a slow job because finding parts for this is just an as and when basis, so this isn't going to be one where we're going to have an update every week. Probably going to take a couple of years to do. But this is the next little project and something to keep us occupied. There you go, that's the strip down complete. So the next job is we've got to get the various parts off to be paint stripped. We've got acid etch prime the frame when it comes back from the strippers. There's parts for polishing, parts for powder coating, parts for replating. So there's lots more work to do. But in the meantime, if you like these videos, hit the like and subscribe button. We're just coming up for another race, so that's the Red Line Rumble at Santa Pod. So try and shoot some footage, but it's always tricky, but we'll see what we can do there. Hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you soon.